Thanks for dropping in for another video tutorial from Kirk's Cooking and Cocktails. As always, I'm Kirk, and today we're going to be making some chicken wings. Whether it's college game day, NFL Sunday, or any day that ends in Y, having an awesome wing recipe can be a game changer. And so today I'm going to walk through my dry rub hot wings as well as some garlic Parmesan wings. Instead of running through all the spices here in front of me, I will be attaching an ingredients list. So let's get cooking. Time to fire up the Memphis Beale Street grill. For this cook, we're going to be using Hickory Pellets, and we'll be preheating the grill to 410 degrees. When adding oil to the wings, make sure to use a very small amount to prevent clumping and allow for a nice even coat of the rub on the wings. Time to start grilling. We'll start with the Savorizer in place to allow those hickory pellets to slow cook their flavor into the wings. After another 20 minutes of those wings slow cooking, it's time to remove the grates, time to remove the Savorizer, and replace it with the direct flame insert so we can start to get a little char on those wings. Last step is to mix up a little butter, parsley, garlic, and Parmesan for the rub for the garlic wings. Ooh, these are looking tasty. Can't wait to eat.